Hey guys, do you ever feel that there's not enough time in the day, or you just don't know how to organize your day or your week effectively? Well, I think we've all experienced that from time to time, and maximizing your productivity really requires a structured approach to time management. So, I'm going to give you a checklist now to organize your week effectively and ensure you prioritize tasks and make the most of your time. So, step one is set your weekly goals. You need to identify your key objectives, list 3 to 5 major goals you want to accomplish in that week, and then you need to ensure these goals are smart, so specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Next, you want to break down goals into tasks. For each goal, outline specific tasks that need to be completed. Next, we need to assign deadlines for each task to keep yourself accountable. Now, step two, plan your week. So choose a planning tool that works for you. There's many of them out there. You can select a digital tool like Google Calendar or Trello or a physical planner, whatever suits your need and your style. I personally just use Outlook and a notebook, basically. Next, we need to schedule our tasks, and that's around allocating time blocks for each task in your planner. Also, make sure you include buffer time for unexpected interruptions or overruns because they will happen. Next, we need to prioritize. So we can use the Eisenhower Matrix here. And what we do is we categorize tasks into 4 quadrants. First is urgent and important. The next is important but not urgent. And the third is urgent but not important. And the fourth is neither urgent nor important. What you want to do is focus on completing tasks in the first 2 quadrants. Step three is daily review and adjust as needed. So life happens, right? So we do need to adjust as needed. So, firstly, morning check in or evening check in. Review your goals and tasks for the day each morning or each evening. I prefer to do it in the evenings. Adjust your schedule as needed based on priorities or new tasks. Then at the end of the day, we can go into our end of day reflection. We can spend 10 minutes reviewing what we've accomplished and what we've missed. We can note any tasks that need to be carried over to the next day. Step four is our weekly review. So here is where we evaluate our progress. At the end of the week, we can assess which goals were met and which were not. We can then identify any obstacles that hindered our progress. So then we plan for the next week. How do we do this? We can use insights from your weekly review to set more effective goals for the upcoming week. Then adjust our strategies based on what worked and what didn't. Because again, life happens, right? So step five then is self-care and downtime. Now, most people don't tell you this for time management, but self-care and downtime are essential. You must include in your schedule breaks and leisure time. So block out time for breaks, exercise, leisure time, leisure activities, family time, etc. Prioritize self-care to recharge and maintain your productivity. Reflect on your work-life balance. Ensure that your schedule allows for personal time. It's really, really important that you do this. So, time management is something many of us really do struggle with. And I hope these tips help you on your way to organizing your time more efficiently and effectively.